Hello and welcome to our video on understanding prompt engineering for chatbots, a beginner's guide. In this video, we'll be discussing what prompt engineering is and why it's important for chatbots. We'll also cover the basics of prompt design and how to create effective prompts. Section 1. What is prompt engineering? Prompt engineering is the process of designing prompts for chatbots that guide users towards providing relevant and useful information. In other words, it's the art of crafting messages that the chatbot sends to users in order to prompt them to provide information or take a certain action. The goal is to create prompts that are clear, concise, and easy to understand, so that users can easily engage with the chatbot. Section 2. Why is prompt engineering important for chatbots? Prompt engineering is important for chatbots because it helps to ensure that users have a positive experience when interacting with the chatbot. If a chatbot's prompts are poorly designed, users may become confused, frustrated, or simply disengaged. This can result in a negative user experience and may even cause users to abandon the chatbot altogether. In contrast, well-designed prompts can help users to feel more confident in their interactions with the chatbot and more likely to engage with it in the future. Section 3. Basic principles of prompt design. There are several basic principles to keep in mind when designing prompts for chatbots. First, prompts should be clear and concise, using simple language that is easy to understand. This is important when dealing with complex or technical information, as users may become overwhelmed if the language is too complicated. Second, prompts should be relevant and tailored to the user's needs, based on their previous interactions with the chatbot. For example, if a user has already provided their name, there is no need for the chatbot to prompt them for it again. Finally, prompts should be designed with the user's perspective in mind, taking into account their goals and expectations. This means considering the user's context, such as their location, time of day, and level of expertise, in order to create prompts that are relevant and useful. Section 4. Creating effective prompts. To create effective prompts, it's important to follow a structured process. Identify the user's goal or intention. Before creating a prompt, it's important to understand what the user is trying to accomplish. This can be done by analyzing their previous interactions with the chatbot or by asking the user directly. Anticipating potential user responses. Once you know what the user is trying to accomplish, it's important to anticipate what responses they may give to your prompts. This will help you to design prompts that are flexible enough to handle a range of responses. Creating prompts that guide the user towards providing the information needed to fulfill their goal. Based on your understanding of the user's goal and potential responses, you can create prompts that guide the user towards providing the information needed to accomplish their task. For example, if a user wants to book a hotel room, the chatbot might prompt them to provide their desired location, check-in and check-out dates, and number of guests. Testing and refining the prompts based on user feedback. After creating your prompts, it's important to test them with real users and gather feedback. This feedback can then be used to refine your prompts and improve the user experience over time. In conclusion, prompt engineering is a critical component of chatbot design that can make or break the user experience. By following the basic principles of prompt design and creating effective prompts that guide users towards their goals, chatbot designers can create chatbots that are engaging, helpful, and successful. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.